Hello everyone, it's your boy Kevin Love, and for your viewing pleasures today, we have this beautiful Hoover Elite2 6.5 amp. This is new to the collection as about 3 hours ago. Went to the Goodwill today, found this for $5. When I found it, it was very dusty, musty, crusty, and the light bulb was burned out, the belt was snapped off, the brush rod was completely dirty, bag was completely full. I managed to get it running somewhat better. I did take it apart and the fan was like completely messed up, so I put a brand new fan on there, lubricated the motor bearings, slapped the brand new belt, bag, new headlight. It did come with this hose, and that's the only attachment it came with. Nice little Hoover. I think it'll clean up pretty nice. But here's a closer look. This is model U471-1910. It is from the year 1992. And let's see how well it do. Navy blue, I like it. This was a Kmart brand. You can always tell the Kmart brands because they had the little orange line in the middle of the bag. So definitely has Kmart written all over it. The good old days. I tried to scrub some of those scratches off with some rubbing alcohol with an old damp towel, but didn't have very good luck with that. So I'm stuck with this. It is what it is. It's all original. Got the white cord. Good to go. So really quick, we'll go ahead and take it for a quick spin. Maybe if I can get the cord out the way. All right. I like it. I think it's nice. I think it's a nice sweeper. I put it inside some light so y'all can see it a little bit better. It's navy blue. Got that today, well, this evening rather, for $5 at the Goodwill. You should visit there sometime. You never know what you might find. Here's one more great look at it. Great look. One more good look at it. There you go. Nobody quite does it like Hoover. Some would beg you differ, but I don't know. It is what it is. It all just depends on what you like. So, oh, you know what though? Since I have this one, look at that one. That one's black and gray with the little orange Kmart line. Oh yeah. Well, y'all, good night. It's your boy Kevin Love. I'm out. Peace.